Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be sharing with you 10 facts about koala. So without further ado, let's get started. No one. Koalas are not actually bears. Though they look like teddy bears, koalas are marsupials, which means that they are more closely related to kangaroos than they are to bears. In southern regions of the continent, where there are enough eucalyptus trees for them to survive, koalas prefer to live in the drier parts of their range rather than in the rainforests. Since too much rain can wash away the oils on the leaves of eucalyptus trees, making them less palatable. They belong to the family Phascolarctidae, which consists of only one genus and species, Phascolarctos cinereus. The name koala comes from the Aboriginal word gula, which means no drink. They spend most of their time eating eucalyptus leaves, which are not very nutritious. Their tails are covered in fur and can grow to be over 3 feet long. Koala babies are called joeys. When they are born, they are about the size of a jelly bean and cannot see or hear. They spend the next 6 to 7 months developing in their mother's pouch, where she will feed them with her milk. Weaning can take up to another 6 months. During this time, the joey will start to eat solid foods, but will still stay in the pouch for warmth and safety. However, they have a preference for the leaves of the blue gum tree. This is because the leaves of this tree contain the highest levels of nutrients and oils. They have sharp claws and teeth that they will not hesitate to use if they feel their territory is being invaded. They are often featured in movies, TV shows, and commercials, and they are a major tourist attraction. Koalas are truly unique animals that play an important role in the ecosystem. By learning more about them, we can help ensure that they continue to thrive for generations to come. Koalas are also known to be aggressive towards each other, especially during mating season. Fights between males can be brutal and often result in injuries. Koalas will often travel long distances in search of these leaves, and they are able to find them by following the scent of the tree. A female koala will not reach sexual maturity until she is around 2 years old. This is another factor that has contributed to their decline in numbers. They typically only give birth once every 2 to 3 years, and the rate of koala deaths has been increasing. This is due to the aforementioned factors such as habitat loss, vehicle strikes, and dog attacks. If you did, please let us know in the comments below. We also hope that you have learned something new, and if you did, please share it with your friends. We appreciate all of your support, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Males, on the other hand, will reach sexual maturity at around 3 to 4 years of age. Koalas also have large furry ears that help them hear predators coming. In fact, eucalyptus leaves are toxic to most animals, but not to koalas. This is due to the threats they face from habitat loss, vehicle strikes, dog attacks, and disease. The koala population has declined by an estimated 30 to 50% over the past few decades. If things continue on their current trajectory, koalas could be extinct within our lifetime. Koalas have special digestive systems that allow them to break down the toxins in the leaves and use them as a food source. The ridges and whorls on their paws are so similar to ours that scientists have been able to use them to identify individual koalas. In fact, no 2 koala fingerprints are alike, just like humans. This is because koalas do not drink water and get all the moisture they need from the eucalyptus leaves they eat. They get all the water they need from the eucalyptus leaves they eat. In fact, koalas do not even need to urinate while they are in their natural habitat. If they are in captivity, however, they will need to drink water in order to survive. They spend most of their time either sleeping or eating. Because of this, they are not very good at escaping predators. Koalas have several natural enemies, including dingoes, Tasmanian devils, and eagles. However, the biggest threat to koalas is habitat loss due to deforestation. As humans continue to cut down eucalyptus trees for timber, paper, and fuel, koalas are losing their homes and their food source. This has led to a decline in the koala population. Today, an estimated 30 to 40% of all koalas have been killed off by humans. Number 2. Koalas are native to Australia. They can be found in the eastern central. Number 3. Koalas sleep for up to 22 hours a day. They are most active during the night when they are looking for food. Koalas are generally solitary animals, but they may come together during the day to rest. When they do this, they often form groups of up to 10 individuals. Number 4. Koalas have fingerprints that are almost identical to human fingerprints? No. 5. Koalas are very slow-moving animals. Number 6. Koalas are herbivores, which means that they only eat plants. Number 7. Koalas have long prehensile tails that help them grip branches while they are eating or sleeping. Number 8. Female koalas give birth to one offspring after a gestation period of 35 to 40 days. 9. Koalas have a special adaptation that allows them to go without drinking water for long periods of time. Number 10. Koalas are listed as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. There are many different types of eucalyptus trees, and koalas are able to eat the leaves of most of them. In addition to being slow-moving, koalas are also slow reproducers. Although koalas are often seen as cute and cuddly animals, they can be dangerous if they feel threatened. Despite the dangers that koalas can pose, they are still one of the most popular animals in Australia. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about 10 facts about koala.